Samsung may have launched 5 phones already: Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and Galaxy S10e, S10 5G, and finally the Galaxy Fold, Galaxy S10. S10 Plus and Galaxy S10e, but it still has one more handset left to release. The successor to the Note 9, which is assumed to be called the Note 10, is expected sometime this year, and rumors about the device are already popping up. Though Samsung has a couple of premium phones and rich builds, the Galaxy Fold, for example, costs $2,000. Note phones stand out as part of Samsung's ultra-luxury line. In short, the Note represents Samsung's best of the best. For that reason, it's no surprise there has been plenty of anticipation and curiosity surrounding the phone. Could it have 5G connectivity like the Galaxy S10 5G, or will it feature a swivel selfie camera like the Galaxy A80? Perhaps the Note 10 will be one of the 2 foldable phones Samsung said it would release after the Galaxy Fold. Samsung's announcement timeline for the Note isn't super consistent. It has introduced Note phones in winter, summer, and fall months. Lately, however, the company has stuck to a summer unveiling, so an August launch date is possible. Until Samsung says something official though, we have rounded up the most intriguing, probable, and compelling rumors we have heard about the Note 10 so far. Samsung's Note phones usually have generously sized displays to accommodate the S Pen stylus and stand out as a productivity machine. Rumors report that the newest iteration could have the biggest screen yet at 6.66 inches, compared that to the Note 9, which has a 6.4-inch screen. This doesn't necessarily mean the overall footprint of the phone will get bigger though. As the bezels get thinner and phone makers are getting more resourceful about relocating the front-facing camera, the Note 10 could as well be the same physical size as the Note 9 but still have a bigger display. The Galaxy S10 has 3 other variants of itself: S10 Plus, S10e, and Galaxy S10 5G. So it wouldn't be a surprise if, for the first time, Samsung decided to make more than one model of the Note 10. The rumored versions is a 6.28-inch Note 10 and a larger 6.75-inch phone, according to South Korean news site. As mentioned before, other models with LTE or 5G connectivity are also speculated, which would be a grand total of 4 Note 10 variants. As some high-end phones move the fingerprint reader buttons from the surface of the phone to underneath the display, a phone without any physical buttons may not be a far-reaching concept. At least that's what could happen with the Note 10, according to some reports, citing industry sources. The site reports that the Note 10 could employ face touch technology developed by NTT. In lieu of the buttons, the phone's edges could register different degrees of force depending on how hard you press down, which would allow you to turn on the phone or adjust the volume on a smooth, flat surface. Recently, NTT worked with Vivo to develop the Vivo IQ00 gaming phone. Further, Vivo was rumored back in January to develop a keyless phone as well. The reports also predicts that Samsung will apply a buttonless design to other, more mid-range Galaxy models in addition to the Note 10. Don't count on only the phone getting updates. The humble embedded stylus could get new features though, as with the Note 9 launch when Samsung updated the S Pen so it can remotely trigger the phone's camera shutter. This time around, rumors are going around the Note 10's S Pen could have a camera inside. According to tech blogs, Samsung apparently filed a patent with the US Patent and Trademark Office for an electric pen device that's mounted on electronic devices such as smartphones. The phone will have a camera with an optical zooming function. Similar to the Galaxy S10 5G, the Note 10 could have 4 cameras on the back. Despite the tinner's evidence, a quad camera setup on the Note 10 isn't too out there. As mentioned earlier, it currently exists right now on the Galaxy S10 5G, and the Note 10 will have even more room to fit such a camera system. Plus, the Note series is usually Samsung's most premium line, so the company would be consistent to outfit it with the most tech.